Hello and welcome. If you don't know me, my name is Andrew Gable and I am an artist. This piece is called Oracle. It is the first piece in my new collection, Wild Kingdom, a series of artwork designed as a print and NFT collection. With this series, I'm returning to nature and the animal kingdom for inspiration. Essentially, I'm returning to my artistic roots. I grew up close to nature, and some of my very first pieces of art when I was in my early teens were of animals. My passion and curiosity for wildlife as a subject matter has definitely matured like a fine wine over the last 9 years of making a living as an artist carving one-of-one original stone carvings of wildlife. Lately, I have been having this deep urge to explore this subject in my 2D work, and in this case, expanding on my recent 13-month journey into digital expression using Procreate on my iPad, a medium I find fascinating and abundant. Oracle is modeled after a great horned owl, and will be the genesis or first piece in the collection, with prints coming soon. I will also be minting this piece as the first in my Wild Kingdom NFT collection before the end of April, so watch this space if you'd like to acquire one of the editions of this piece. I think there will only be 10 available in the first release of this NFT. Thank you for following and supporting my journey as an artist, and I will see you next time.